Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of s from this given nice math exponential problem. 9 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power x plus 6. I believe you can solve this. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power s plus 6. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to log 2 raised to power s plus 6. Take note of this, that if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Then this can be written as s plus 1 log 9 is equal to s plus 6 log 2. Let us open the bracket. We have s multiplied by log 9. This is s log 9 plus 1 multiplied by log 9. This is log 9 is equal to s multiplied by log 2. This is s log 2 plus 6 multiplied by log 2. This is 6 log 2. At this point, we can collect like times. That is s log 9. And if you bring this s log 2 to this side, become minus s log 2 is equal to 6 log 2, then minus log 9. Now s is common here. Let's factor it out. We have s bracket log 9 minus log 2 is equal to 6 log 2 minus log 9. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by log 9 minus log 2. This divided by log 9 minus log 2, and this divided by log 9 minus log 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 6 log 2 minus log 9 over log 9 minus log 2. Now here log 2 is equal to 0.3010, and log 9 is equal to 0.9542. S will be equal to 6 bracket 0.3010 minus 0.9542 over 0.9542 minus 0.3010. S is equal to, if you multiply 6 by 0.3010, we have 1.8060 minus 0.9542 over 0.9542 minus 0.3010. S is equal to 1.8060 minus 0.9542. This is 0.8518 over 0.9542 minus 0.3010. That is 0.6532. And this is same thing as S is equal to If you divide 0.8518 by 0.6532, we have 1.3040. Therefore, S is equal to 1.3040. And our answer here is S is equal to 1.3040. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power s plus 6. If s is equal to 1.3040, then this is 9 raised to power 1.3040 plus 1 must be equal to 2 raised to power 1.3040 plus 6. Now let us consider this. 2 raised to power 1.3040 plus 6. This is equal to 2 raised to power 7.3040, and 2 raised to power 7.3040. This is equal to 158.02, and this is approximately equal to 158. Let us call this right hand side. Now let us consider the left hand side here. 9 raised to power 1.3040 plus 1. This is equal to 9 raised to power 2.3040, and this is equal to 157.97, and this is approximately equal to 158. This is left hand side. Therefore, the left hand side 158 is equal to the right hand side 158, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.